7 chips were taken from the mother computer of the Pangalactic Bureau by Black Bomberman, who then dispersed them throughout several planets in the Magellan solar system. The responsibility of recovering them lies with the ace investigator Bomber Cop, also known as White Bomberman. The player takes control of Bomberman by directing him through mazes that are packed with blocks and placing bombs on the ground. After being planted, the explosives explode in a cross-shaped pattern many seconds after they have been detonated. In addition to destroying Bomberman himself, the explosion can demolish any blocks or opponents that are in its path. If the explosion comes into contact with another device, the second bomb will automatically detonate as well. All of these basic steps are used in both the single-player and multiplayer games. There are a total of 7 themed worlds in the single-player game, and each one has 8 stages. Every level is a block-filled labyrinth with adversaries strewn throughout. The objective of the player is to combat adversaries and remove obstacles by triggering explosives or bombs. After you've vanquished every enemy, a gateway leading to the next level will open. The player can find power-ups such as more bombs and firepower and valuable skills such as the ability to kick explosives behind specific blocks. A boss fight takes place at the 8th level of every planet. The stages are more dynamic than in earlier games in the series. Teleporters and conveyor belts appear in specific locations. For example, Petunia, the boss of Blossom Planet, begins as a green leaf cloak that is indestructible and can pass through barriers. She produces 4 and 3 blooms in phases. After defeating her floral adversaries, she reveals her actual form with 2 last flowers, allowing her to move on land, be vulnerable to attacks, and destroy explosives. Bomberman is also hurt by her when they collide. Multiplayer mode allows up to 5 players to compete in a timed deathmatch, collecting power-ups to destroy opponents. The last Bomberman alive wins the round. Players can choose from multiple stages with unique themes and gimmicks. The game was launched for the PC Engine in Japan on December 11, 1992, and then made available on the TurboGrafx 16 in the Western markets in 1993.